program, I promised immigration update, and we are delivering immigration update courtesy of attorney Robert Reeves. Hello and welcome to Kababayan.
Hi, Janelle. Thank you.
Okay, re-election of President Barack Obama, it lends positivity to this whole talk about immigration.
Yes. Amnesty. There are 11 to 12 million undocumented immigrants in the United States. Now, Barack Obama did make a promise that he would bring amnesty, but the reality of it is they got a House controlled by the Republicans. And they have been anti-immigration for the last 20 years. They've made the immigrants scapegoats. They've said they take the jobs away from Americans, they commit crime, they get welfare. And their constituents are older white people, and they want to keep the country white.
Very sweeping generalization, but be careful because even some Filipinos are Republicans. Earlier at the top of the program, we talked about the STEM Jobs Act, which there was a gridlock as well. It's proposed by the Republicans, which is for those who have graduated here to be able to apply for a green card here for specialized
Yeah, but
industries.
very quickly they proposed 50,000 visas, but they want to take 50,000 away. So they're really giving nothing, and Obama's not going to approve of that. So they're really not very generous when it comes to immigration.
So does this mean that when you say comprehensive immigration reform, does that automatically mean amnesty?
Well, that's what they want to do. That's what the Barack Obama administration, the Democratic administration, wants to give, a generalized amnesty. It may not happen overnight. It would be gradually phased in. But it's an illusion to think that it's going to happen now.
Yes. We see the gridlock now with this vote on STEM, but in the meantime, what can people do? Is there relief available to them?
Absolutely. I say about approximately 3 out of 4 undocumented immigrants would qualify immediately for a work authorization and a green card based on the Immigration and Nationality Act called cancellation of removal. That provides for, if you've been here for 10 years and you have children, especially when they're over 16, born in the United States, and they're over 16 or at any age, if there's a physical disability or learning disability at any age, or you have parents that have disabilities or need to be cared for, those people would qualify right now. They have to hire a damn good law firm to make it happen, but it can happen, and it's available now. I would not wait maybe 3 or 4 years from now to get a work authorization through an amnesty. I think amnesty will eventually pass. Comprehensive immigration reform.
Is there a residency in terms of cancellation of removal? Is there a residency involved, like, you know, residence here for 1 year, 2 years, whatever?
You have to be here for 10 years in the United States.
And that's with documentation and without documentation, both? If your visa has
No, it's illegal or otherwise. It's people who are undocumented, who overstayed their visas. They don't have to overstay for 10 years. They just have to be here for 10 years.
And that is why you mentioned earlier you need a lawyer, because a lawyer will explain everything to you.
No,
right?
you need a good law firm, and of course I have a recommendation of a good law firm. You know, hire the best one you can get, possibly hire. But of course, Reeves and Associates is the best.
Yes. What is the difference between a good law firm and a not so good law firm?
Well, it's between winning and losing.
And you've won a lot of cases here.
Oh, we've been in business for 32 years. Our reputation is of winning is extraordinary. I'd like to bring out one more thing on this Child Status Protection Act.
30 seconds on the show. Go ahead.
Child Status Protection Act. I recommend that you file now. I think we're going to win that case, and if you file now, we can probably get you a work authorization, even though it backs up. And it will back up. All
right, don't wait. That is the number to call on the screen. They do give free face-to-face consultation, even during the holiday season, correct?
Absolutely.
All right, information on the screen. That's the phone number. Call now. Don't delay. Thank you so much. More power to you.
Thank you, Janelle.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Thank you for joining us today on Kababayan LA. Sana po marami kayong natutunan. Don't forget online, www.youtube.com/KababayanLA18. This has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you next time.